Now coming to the question number 25. So we will read the English portion. So we know the current is AC. Actually, the question is not written fully, so I have written it in short. So the current is AC, and we know V equals to V naught sine omega t for this question. And voltage, current, and power in one cycle is shown in the following graph. Now we have to identify the device X, and part B is which of the curves A, B, C represent the voltage, current, and the power consumed in the circuit. Justify your answer. And part C is how does its impedance vary with the frequency of the AC source? Show graphically. And part D is you have to obtain an expression for the current in the circuit and its phase relation with the AC voltage. In the OR part, the question is draw a level diagram of an AC generator. Obtain the expression for the EMF induced in the rotating coil of N turns, each cross-sectional area A in the presence of magnetic field B. Part B is a horizontal conducting rod 10 meter long extending from east to west is falling with a speed of 5 meter per second at right angles to the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field, that is zero point 0.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Weber per meter square. Find the instantaneous value of the EMF induced in the rod. Now coming to the solution, in the part A, the device X is a capacitor. The curve B is of voltage, and curve C represents the current, and curve A is of power. The reason is that the current leads the voltage in phase by pi by 2 for a capacitor. And lastly, in C part, Xc is 1 over omega c, so we can also write Xc is inversely proportional to omega. Right. Now in D part, we are given with this. So Q is Cv, which is equals to V naught sine omega t, and I is dq over dt. So it will be Wc V naught cos omega t, and it is equals to I naught sine omega t plus pi by 2, because current leads the voltage in phase by pi by 2, so we have added it. Now coming to the OR part, question number A. So we will draw this diagram. Okay, this is slip rings. Okay, these are alternating EMF, and this is carbon brushes, and this is coil. It's not clear in this picture. This is axle. Let omega be the angular speed of rotation of the coil. Then we have pi t is equals to NBA cos omega t, since E equals to minus d pi over dt. So this is equals to NBA omega sine omega t, and this is equals to E naught sine omega t, where E naught is NBA omega. Now B part, induced EMF is BLV. So we will put all these values, and finally we are getting E equals to this 1.5